In this video, I will show you how to install Bootstrap in Visual Studio Code. Welcome my friends to Joey's Tech. Let me show you the quickest way to install Bootstrap in this amazing code editor Visual Studio Code. Let's do it now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to head over to the left and I'm going to click on this icon. This is going to open the extension sidebar for me. In the search bar, I'm going to type Bootstrap. Now there will be many Bootstrap extensions which will be appearing as a part of search results, but you need to only click on the extension which says Bootstrap for Font Awesome 4, Font Awesome 5 free and pro snippets. Just click on it and then click on install. It will take a second to install. Once these two buttons appear that say disable and uninstall, that means Bootstrap is successfully installed in your Visual Studio Code. Now we are going to test the installation of Bootstrap in Visual Studio Code. To do that, I have created one index.html file which is there in my folder demo. And you can create a similar file to test the installation yourself. Okay. So in this file, what you are going to do, you will type B4. That's it. And it's going to open a menu where you will see B4-$ as the first item. That is going to say Bootstrap Master Template. Now you need to click on it. Once you click on it, it is going to load some HTML. In this automatically generated HTML, you will find a group of CDNs. You can see Bootstrap CSS over here and then optional JavaScript over here. Now certain features of Bootstrap require certain jQuery and JavaScript libraries to work, but it's optional. You can see over here, this is the main one. And this successfully done exercise proves that we have successfully installed Bootstrap in Visual Studio Code. Once done, you can go ahead and use the Bootstrap framework to develop responsive, beautiful websites. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope this short video helped you answer your question how to install Bootstrap in Visual Studio Code. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.